They are climbing up all the way. My God, that's a very high, taller coconut tree. That man really know how to go climb it with her bare foot. Oh, they are already up there. Oh my! And they're gonna took it out the leaves that is not good anymore. And he knows how to get the good coconut that they can be ready to be eaten. Oh my.
Abot, sika susunod.
Ninong said the other guy who gonna be next. Ninong mag-ingat.
Saan si Mikong? Si Mikong. Huwag kang kung dyan, Mikong. Baka madaganan ka dyan.
Oh, there is a broken, not good leaves. Whoa.
He's a strong man.
He is a strong man with a tiny body.
Skinny boy. Oh.
Wow. Fast.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. See, the only thing that he's using is this bare hand and bare foot. My.
Yeah.
Nothing that they can use at. Oh my goodness.
So now he's resting.
Ninong said the man is resting, Han.
Oh, it's on top of the tree now.
Me too. I can see that. Oh my God, he is in the top.
Wow.
There he goes. It's gonna take a part.
Ikaw naman, Edren.
Uwi na lang ako.
Oh my God, even though they're swinging and swinging.
Can you get a zoom in sometime?
I did zooming the man. There he is. I'm zooming it.
Di ba, Carlos? No pa, pag nag-fishing, awanti-boat na pa niya. Wala siyang boat.
I can even see him now.
Yung mga komedyan, yung mga nagbabantong dito.
Naku, Panginoon ko. Ando doon na siya sa taas. Wait ah.
Yung ginagawa niya, oh.
Anong nagagawin ko? Doon sa tali.
Yun lang yung parang protection niya.
Tingnan mo yung kwarto, yung pa rin bumabasa.
Ay!
Ganon.
Look at that!
Pagkuha. Ayun.
Kasi mababasag yan pagka...
Oh my God! That's the reason why they have a roof.
Oo.
Man, everywhere. Oh my goodness in heaven. Gusto kong makita siya ngayong pababa.
Ay, dati galot na dyan. Ay, sagod.
Wow! They don't want to be broken the coconut. See? So they put it, tie in the roof.
Diyan ang may kong dala ni Carlos sa inyo. Sino ibabam, Carlos?
Tapos bababa na yung mama.
Hindi pa. Meron pa siyang kukunin.
Ay, may kukunin pa rin siya?
Yeah.
Whoa! They go up again and they're gonna have to get another coconut.
Dahan-dahan, Carlos.
Oh, ya. Stop. Ala.
My gosh.
She's resting now.
Resting again? He's not resting, Ninong. He's trying to get the coconut.
He's gonna sleep there tonight.
No, he's not, Ninong. Oh my. What a climber, he
You
said.
do this for a living too.
Magkano naman yung ganyan, Ninong, ng ginagawa niya?
For minsan binibigyan ng 200 pesos.
Kawawa. Ayun na naman, meron na naman siyang ilalaglag. Wow. My.
Kung,
What a climber.
one more.
One more, Ninong?
He said one more. We're gonna have a picnic with a coconut picnic.
I know, Ninong.
Pero bilib ako sa pag-upload ko kanina.
Ang bilis.
Alam mo yan, subukan umakyat ng kahit apat na hakbang, hindi ka na makakuha.
Ay, naku, Ninong, kahit papababa pa nga lang, hindi ko na kaya eh. One more, Ani.
Alam mo ito kung malang sa dagat, wala siyang boat. Pero nakalutang yan sa dagat.
Han,
Sa
according to Ninong, this man is a very good swimmer in the sea. Nothing to use, just his body.
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm so
one time we were riding a boat, we saw a guy that's swimming. That does nothing, But he know how to adjust his breathing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how he do it. But just like a fish, I think he can survive just floating on the water. When you do it like that, you just take a breath and then swim again. It's gonna go on too deep. You dive under for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Well, this guy here.
Yeah. So, sometimes you can see that it looks like he's dead, but he's really resting.
Mm.
Tama na yan.
No, that's all he can get.
Okay, baba ka na, Ninong. Ay, baba ka na, Ninong. Baba ka na, Uncle.
It's very difficult to put your feet in your hands there. If
The way he's climbing, keeping balance too. Yeah.
And that one is swinging. They got a good technique that they don't wanna broke the coconut. So they put that rope in her.
Sa kwan pa, pakatay mo na
What?
kay...
I know.
She's right behind you.
Oh, okay. She's looking for the camera.
Oh yeah.
There she is. I mean, there he is. Going down.
He's gonna clean up the coconut. See how he put his leg?
Look at that, honey.
Grabe. Malaglag ang puso. Sabi naman pag
Ako mamamatay ako. Diyos ko, Panginoon, kung may kapal.
magpataas na.
Mag-ingat ka po. Mag-ingat ka po.
Iba na yung ano niya, pagbaba. Oh, iba na
Lalakad.
Oo,
She's walking down.
iba na
I mean, he's walking down.
Kanina pataas ito. Ngayon, straight na na.